In this video, I will show you how to solve AnyDesk connecting problem. Let's see. Now I am trying to connect AnyDesk to network. Here you can see connecting to the AnyDesk network. This is the actual problem. How to solve this problem permanently? Just let's see and follow me. First of all, you just AnyDesk from here, quit, and go to control panel and uninstall from AnyDesk from control panel. I'm just uninstalling the AnyDesk. Yes. Then go to drive C and go to program files and delete this folder, AnyDesk folder. Delete and go back and go to program files, and here you can find the AnyDesk folder. Here is no AnyDesk folder. If you have, then delete this folder. Okay, and close it, and then type here cmd and run as administrator. And type here ipconfig space /flash DNS. Then press enter. Yes, flash the DNS resolver cache and exit from this window. Okay, then go to just download a new fresh download from internet AnyDesk software. I'm downloading AnyDesk from internet. Okay, remote desk. Yes, click on it and download this AnyDesk Windows version. You can select Mac or Android version. I am just using Windows. For this reason, I am downloading Windows version. Download now. Click on it. Yes, okay. Go to open folder. Here the AnyDesk software. Just double click on it for installation. I'm installing AnyDesk software. Not yet solved the problem. Disconnected from the AnyDesk network. No problem. You just install AnyDesk. Click on it, and installation path will be same, and accept and install. After install AnyDesk, here you can see, you will see connecting the AnyDesk network. Disconnected from network. Okay, don't worry. Just right button on it and properties, and click on compatibility. Then select run the program in compatibility mode. Select it and select any Windows from this menu and just apply, and then OK. Now I'm trying to open AnyDesk. Yes, here you can see AnyDesk ID has been showing me. That means your AnyDesk is working. Here if I put a remote desk ID, for example, here you can see AnyDesk ID. Yes, just connecting. I hope. Yes, please wait for remote site to accept your session request. That means your AnyDesk has been installed properly and working properly. I hope after applying this process on your computer, your problem will be solved. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.